start recording as I'm pasting it in my notepad here and start a new section in my notepad dealing with this video file name. Now I would like also to add to that PSAR, which is problem step recorder. So I'm going to start a recording with PSAR. And now that I started the recording with PSAR, I want to go back to my Gmail and grab a copy of this Google Voice number, copy it to the clipboard buffer, and then paste it into my notepad. But I want to also segregate my notes with a right slash at the beginning, the notes from the email that I got, Control V, and then left slash to close it and segregate it from the rest of the stuff here. And now I have it all together, ready to go. So I can mark the file name, edit and copy to the clipboard buffer. In the meantime, I can go to my Gmail here and delete this message, knowing that I'm going to deal with it now and make an outbound call to Wiz Dial ABC. So I'm going to another voice area that currently doesn't have it and see if I can log in from here or take another one. Log in from here to Wiz Dial ABC. Paste the file name, go next, and then the password, go next. If anything else, until not now. I want to make an outbound call. Alexa, stop. Help me deal with my Wiz. Yes, help me deal with my Wiz Dial ABC. No, it is Wiz Dial ABC. Yes, it's a wizard that will help you make phone calls, receive phone calls, and also interpret vanity phone numbers. Tell me how I can further develop it. No, I'm already doing it. I'm integrating it with VAPI. VAPI is a voice API. Yes, the interpretation of. Yes, especially using the American dialer. Yes, yes. The mapping. How can I get AI to help me convert uh, telephone the telephone digits to to words? Yes. Why not use existing dictionary libraries that exist in the dictionary and let the AI check the dictionary and find everything that matches? Yes, do you know if anybody has done it already and it's available to the public? What about the website that is called dialabc.com? Are you familiar with it? Yes. How can I take the code from that website and and train the AI on it? Yes, the code is in a browser. It all it is a browser application. Yes. Yes. Yes, and I had also a problem with the owner of dialabc.com. I was trying to collaborate with him, and he got threatened and thought that I want to steal his, or I wanted to compete with him, and he refused to work with me. Yeah, I don't know. I was trying to partner with him, but he seems to be very easy to be threatened. Yes, I don't want to develop it independently because I haven't been programming for a long time, and I don't. I want to do something much better than that, and I want to do it with another partner that is more into programming. Yes. How can I find a suitable partner? I've done it already. I presented in the DevCon conference in Miami, and I was trying to get programmers and developers to be interested in it and working with me, but it hasn't. I haven't been very successful at it. Yes. What do you think are ways to improve my approach? Yes, that is what I intended to do in the happy hour. There's supposed to have been an happy hour after the presentation, but they decided to skip on it and they canceled the happy hour. Yeah, I did connect. I did invite the city of Coral Gables to be my guest speaker, and and the representative of the innovation, the director of innovation, came to my webinar and presented the innovation of the city of Coral Gables, and we are scheduled to have another meeting to set up a pilot study. Help me figure out. I want to present it to the city of Coral Gables in a way that will make them feel that it is not going to add much work to their already overloaded schedule. So they are concerned that if they will work with me, they will have to maintain uh, additional software and will have extra work, and they will not be getting paid for it. Yes, I'd like to do some kind of a maintenance free type of operation, a kind of an AI maintenance free type of operation that wouldn't require any efforts from the city of Coral Gables IT department. Yes, for that reason, I'm having this vanity phone number that spells the domain name so people can call me and my students and we can offer support. Yes, I offered it to them, but they don't believe me. They think that finally, when push comes to shove, I'm a professor, so I get paid by the university, and they will be stuck with a website that requires more work, and they will not be getting paid for it, but will have to work more. I'd like to find a way to have a website that doesn't need any support, that the users will support it. It will be just some kind of a gateway between the users and the providers, and I would be setting it in the middle, so there will be no support issue. Yeah, I'm not at the design stage yet. I want it just to be a website that basically will be managed by the users. Yes. How should I set it up? Sounds great. That's what I was thinking to do, to set up some kind of a website for various cities to showcase their um, visitor, to showcase their innovation, and also to showcase their tourist attractions. So the tourists and the user and the people living in the area can upload video clip and keep it interesting. Yes, and I would like also to collaborate with the developer that developed an application that is called Picky Bot, because it enables a phone camera to narrate and transcribe a 1 minute video clip. Yeah, I approached them already and I told them my idea, but I didn't get back to them. And right now, they already had somebody that was trying to compete with them, reverse engineer their algorithm and compete with them without giving them credit for it. So they've been burnt out already once, and I'm afraid that I will be too scary for them. Yes, I'm debating because I was about to do something like I made a lot of video clips using their software, and I wanted to publish it on YouTube, and I'm afraid that if I do it without consulting with them, they may get upset that I've done it in a certain way that it doesn't please them. Yes, I need to schedule an appointment with the developer. The main developer is in India, and the time zones are such that they make it very difficult for him to be a guest speaker in my classes. Since I'm teaching in the evening time in East Coast USA, it is a problem. Yes, but how can I get the text of the invitation? When you tell me about an invitation, I would like to get the text of your narr- narrative so I can edit it and put it in my invitation. How can I how can I capture the text that you are about to describe? Is there any way that I can transform it to a text file or something like that? Which which text I have to start using the speech to text software? Which one is free and I can try to download it and capture your answer? Okay, Otter.ai is one of them. Google voice to text, speech to text, speech to text, speech to text. Okay, I got Otter.ai, Google speech to text, and Microsoft. What was Microsoft speech to text also? What was the Microsoft app called? Are you still there? Yeah, I would like to transcribe our discussion with a free speech to text engine. So when you give me good advice, I can convert it to text and and edit it on and put it in my email. How can I capture our discussion and convert it to text in real time and for no cost or free. Yes, I got speech to text. What's the difference between live transcribe and speech to text? What equivalent tool does Microsoft provide? What's the difference between Azure? It is called Azure Dictates. Okay, I have to first of all download it and install it and run it. Is that true? Yeah, I like the Microsoft Office. I'm using it all the time, so I prefer to use it. Will it work with either Microsoft Office 2025 and also Microsoft Office for Windows 10, or does it depend on which version of Office it is? It's dictate free. Where can I download it from? Does it install inside Word or inside an application? Is it also a standalone application, or will work only with other Microsoft applications? I see. And what about Google a live transcribe? Okay, that sounds good. I'm tired now. I have to rest a little. Bye. So now we're going to test it and see if it works. Double click it and play it back. We're going to start dealing with our. That is working fine.